Hello, my name is Anna. I work for the organization Seed Foundation as a mental health technical advisor. This video is made for you and for everyone who works in healthcare in the Kurdish region of Iraq. If you are interested in recognizing signs of common mental health symptoms and want to know when to refer for mental health services, please watch video 1. Some people may be experiencing low levels of mental health symptoms that do not require professional mental health support. Or you may have already referred someone for services but want to know how you can directly support someone in need. This video will provide you with useful information and resources on how to do so. When people are stressed and anxious, they often need someone to listen to them. Here are some simple but very effective tips on how to listen and respond to someone in an empathetic way. Do try to understand the person's experience better. You can do this by asking questions and being really curious. Don't make assumptions. You can simply ask, how are you doing these days? Do you have any family or friends that are supporting you? Or what has your experience been? Make sure you give your full attention. You can do this by maintaining eye contact, but surely also keeping away distractions, such as your phone or your computer, and make sure your phone is on silent. It's important to find a private and calm space to talk, and it's good to ask the person where they would feel comfortable and safe to talk to you. Find a location that is less but busy and less likely to have interruptions. Be hopeful, but also be realistic. Avoid giving false assurances to make someone feel better. For example, instead of saying, everything will be fine, you could instead say, we will do our best to make sure you are safe and that you have support. In essence, you really don't want to promise anything that you cannot guarantee. Also, acknowledge individual experiences, so avoid comparisons. For example, you'll be fine, other people have much worse situations, so you should be thankful. It's not going to be so helpful. You can instead say, you are doing the best you can given the situation that you are in. These are difficult times, and it is really normal to feel stressed and upset, and that's okay. Give accurate information. Make sure you avoid giving false information. And if you are unsure, you can say, I am unsure about that information, but I will find it out for you. Or, I don't want to give you any information that I'm not sure about, so can I get back to you about this? On this screen are a list of ideas of coping skills that can be implemented. Distractions are not a bad thing and can help people who are feeling stressed or anxious. Routines especially can help create a sense of normalcy. Of course, ultimately, it is up to each person to see what feels right for them, but these are some options. You can create a routine by setting regular sleep, waking, and eating times every day at the same time consistently. And do your daily tasks as you usually do. Keep up with your hobbies as well. Talk to friends and relatives, keep on spending time with your children, and do your cooking, baking, reading, or arts as you like. You can find relaxation by going into nature if you can, listening to calming music or sounds of nature, and doing deep breathing exercises. Exercise itself is also very important. Going to hike, walk, or to the gym, or otherwise do some yoga or stretching in your house. If a person requires further support from a mental health professional, Seed Foundation has professionally trained psychologists who can provide treatment and interventions to those in need. You can make referrals to the contact information listed on the screen. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. We really hope to be of support.